Hello everyone and welcome back. So in the last video we have done the UI of the welcome screen or onboarding screen. So in this video we are going to design the other screens. So this is my onboarding screen, you can see, and now we are going to design this screen. So let's start with the practical. I do not want to waste your time, and let's start with the practical. So this is my UI, you can see, and let me put it there. This is Android and this is the iOS phone, you can see. And so now we are going to design the other screen also, so first we are going to the navigation, and that's the route. In the route we have a auth stack and main stack. Let me do it true. If I have a token, so I will show the main stack. So let me save it. So now you can see I seen the main stack and like this. So first I'm going to the home screen. Let me find the home screen. So this is my home screen, and let me remove these things and just import the wrapper container. We have already created the one wrapper container for all app, and this is my wrapper container, you can see. And let's go to the other screen also, map screen, and we just remove these things. Just import the wrapper container, save it, and have a my city, and let remove these things. Again import the wrapper container, save it, and search screen, we have a search screen. Let me import the wrapper container again, and the last one we have a setting screen. Let me, so now you can see we all screen we have add the wrapper container like this. Now you can see the UI. So now you can see we have a same color in the all other tabs screens. So I just import the wrapper container and wrap my screens. So let's jump it. First I'm going to the home screen, and the home screen I just import the one view, the React Native, and also just define the style and come here to the style, just define the style like a main style, flex one, save it, and just copy the style, press enter, save it, press enter, save. So now I'm going to the UI. Now I'm going to see the UI. Let me remove these screens. So we are working only the home screen. So this is my home screen. First I'm going to import the text of the Madrid. So for that, and we have also a line item, center, we need a text. Text is a, so now I'm going to apply the styling to the text also. Text, title, style. So we have a first font family, and dot semi bold, and also font color. So we have a font size, scale, it will be a 24, and color. Now just copy your title style, and save it. So you can see, and we need a little bit spacing from the top also, you can see. Just type a margin top, moderate scale, just type 12. Yeah, now it's looking perfect. After that I need to import this also, chance of the rain. So let me copy this text. So this import the, again we need a text one, with text we need a text, and we have a chance of the rain text, title, chance of rain. So we have a chance of rain 0%. chance text, and just we can define the just copy the styling of this and paste it, and we have a regular, and we have a not a white color. Define the color also, but in the last welcome video we have also similar color, so I'm copy from that, and this is the color. Just copy the color, come here and remove this color, and just now just copy the chance text and come to the text and apply the styling, and we have a 22 but we have a 24. The size is too big, so let me small it 14, and we need only 4 margin top. Yeah, it's better, looking better. So after that I need to import the image. So this is my image, so let me import the image. We do not have that image, so I already download these images. So let's see in my downloads, and downloads. So these are my icons. I already download the icons and put it in the image folder. So now you can see these are my icons. So I will be showing you one by one like this. In the first one we have a sun. So let's go to the image path. So how can you search globally? So just command P or enter P in the windows. So just search about your file. We have an image path, and just copy these things and paste it. We have a, yeah, so first we have a sun. Just copy the sun title, paste it, and then we have a cloud. Just copy. So let me remove. And after that we have a drop also. Let me add the drop. I just export my all images in the export path. So now I'm going to the home screen. So let me close this again and just import your image again, and source image path, and we have a sun. So in this sun, this is my sun, and we do not have assigned the styling for the image. So let's go to the center image. We have a center image, and just type the width, moderate scale. We have a 120, and also height should be 120. Let me copy the style. And let's see, we need a little bit spacing from the top. So for that I'm going to margin top. We need to moderate scale and just apply the 40. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, we need a 44. Let me apply the 44. After that I need the text 31. Text, just type 31 and just 31, and after 31 we just come here in emojis. And also we're going to apply the title of the main title. We should apply the main title also. Save it. And we need the emoji like yeah, this one is perfect. And you can see we just add the 31 styling, and but we need a spacing also from the top. So for that I'm going to combine the two styling. We did not create another style for this, and just I'm showing you how to combine like this. And we need to apply the margin top and just say moderate scale 20, like this. If I type the 30, 32, you can see. So you can see we just combine the styling also with the spread operator. After that we are going to wrap the all item with the scroll view like this. Scroll view from the React Native, and just copy, cut it and paste it in the, and save it. And now just apply the styling for the scroll view also, and just add the flex one. Now I'm going to design the other part. So we have this card styling. For this I'm going to create the one custom component. Open your folder, and we are going to, in the src components, inside the component I'm going to create the today weather info component .js, and also import your snippet, and just import the this also. We need to import today. Now I'm going to design this component also. So first I'm going to remove this, and we are going to apply the styling to the view style, main style, and we have a background color first. And background color we just apply the color dot. For that I'm going to the browser and just pick the color outside, and this is my color. You can see, just pick the color, we can see, and click it, and come here, copy the color, and we are going to the colors, and we did not find the color also. Type the card background, I'm just applying save, just copy the card background color, and just need to add the padding also. Padding horizontal moderate scale we need to add 12, and also padding vertically, and this will be a 20, and save it. Just copy your style and come to your view and apply the style to the view, And now you can see we need a border radius also. Radius, moderate scale 12, and I need a 8. Yeah, and after that I'm going to add the text also. Text, and the text is today forecast. So we just add the today forecast title. Let me add the height also, height, and also I need a height 4, and 5, height will be a 5, and that will be 100%. And let's design the other things. Let's apply the title textile, text, and we have a font color, font size, for font family first, font family, medium, and also font size 16, and also color, I want to apply the color, and text gray light, we have a, this is my color, and just copy the style of the text and come to your text and apply the, and this is the, you can see today forecast text style. So now I'm going to the home screen, and this is my home screen, we can see. So now we need to add the padding horizontally, but in this view we also add the align item center, so our item will be automatically in the center. So for that I'm going to cut this and just come here down and take a one view more and just paste it, and also just come here again and just apply padding horizontally and moderate scale 20. Now we have a spacing from the left and right equally. Let me see the UI. So we have a similar UI, but I need a 24. Let me add a 24. Yeah, it's look better than past. And also we can add the margin top also, margin top, moderate scale. We have 12. We need a 20. Yeah, 24. Margin top 24. So now I'm going to the component and design the other part. So for that I'm going to, let's see the UI first, and we have a UI like this. And we do not need the 14, we need a, yeah, 14 is enough. And also we need a regular, add the regular also. Yeah, it's looking better. No, medium is looking better, medium is good. And we have a mistake also, forecast. Let me remove this. So now I'm going to design the other part. So just taking one view more, and inside this view, first I'm going to show you the UI. So this is my UI, and we are going to take a 3 view inside the main view. So also we need to draw the line also. So let's go, and first we are going to apply the styling also, content view, and we need a flex direction row, and also we need a justify content space between. Save it and just come here and just apply the styling dot content view. And now I'm taking the 3 view also, view, first view, and just copy this view, first view, second view, and the last view. And these are my views, you can see. We just take a 3 view, Let's show you. First, this is my, you can see, and this is my main view. Inside the main view, I take a 3 more views, 1, 2 and 3. And also now I'm going to take a one text. So let's see the styling first. In the styling, we have a, first we have a timing. For the timing, I will take a text also. So let me take a text. And also text will be a, like we have a 9, we have a 900. Need a space also. Apply the style, timing, text, style, and just copy. And color, we need to apply font family, medium, and also we need a font size 14 and save it. So now you can see, but the color is not like this. We need a this color also, not a white color. Yeah, the color is similar. Yeah, and just come here and we need to copy this again, copy, paste it, and also the last one we should paste it. Okay, now we can see we have a 3 similar texts, but we need to add a line also. So for that I'm going to add a line, style, and just apply the border width. We need to add the border right width. This is, just add the 0.5, and we have a small, you can see we have a small line also, and let me add it one. So now we can see we have a, we can see the small line also. Let me also color, border, color. I just applied the red for now, so you can see, and let me add it the 5. So you can see this is my line. So I just pass the style inline. So for that I'm just cutting the style and just come here, item, view, style, and just paste it. And also we need a padding also, and let's see, we need a padding also. We need a, so this is the, we need a color also. Let me apply the color, color dot white, and just copy this, and this is my style, save it, and just copy the styling and paste it in every view, every 3 view. So now we can see in the last one we do not have a line also. So for that I'm going to like this, we just want to spread operator, and also border right width, border, we have a right border right width, and just add the 0 for that. So we hide the right width. So now we are going to design the other part also. So for that I'm going to import image. So that will be the source image path, and we have a cloud with suns. Yeah, this one. Yes, and I need to apply the styling also, and style cloud sun. Just copy and just width, we need a width and moderate scale 32, and also height moderate scale 32, and resize mode content I apply just. So we have a, you can see, and also we need to apply the align item center also. Yeah, like this. So we just add the align item center, and this is the content view. And the content view, I need to add some margin and padding also. And just come here and just type the margin top, and we need a moderate scale 16, and also we need a margin horizontally moderate scale. Just add the 4. Yeah, 4 is enough. 4 or 6. Yeah, 6 is enough. So we just add the styling top and margin horizontally in the content view. So after that, we need to add another text also. So that is the 25 text, and just copy your first text and just come here and just remove this, add the 25. Also we need to add that emoji. So for that I'm going to the edit and emojis, and we have emojis also. Let me show you. This is the emoji we have, this one. So we just add the emoji. Yeah, we can see the emojis. Just copy this line also again, and so we need also spacing also from the top, and just come here, triple dot, and we need to add a spacing like a margin top and moderate scale 12. Yeah, just copy this text, just copy this the whole text and paste it and type 28, and also copy this text, also again copy this text and paste it. And we need to import we have images also, and just copy the images, paste it in between, also in the paste it in between. But we have a chain images, like as we can see, sun, we have a sun, and the second one we have a sun. Just type a sun, and the last one we have also a sun. Yes. So now you can see we just create the 50% of the cart UI. So now I'm going to the main content, align self center. We need align self center, and also we need to add the spacing also for the every. So we just add the align self center, and now I'm going to the view of the items. This is my view. To add the spacing also, padding horizontal moderate scale 20, and we just need to 0.3. The image need a spacing also, so for that I'm going to styling of the image, and just type margin vertical, add moderate scale 12. So we have a space also, but we need to remove the space of this also, and we add it in the every text, remove, and also this space of the text, and also the first one text also remove it, and just we create the. Now I'm showing you the styling of the screen also. So now we are going to compare the styling, and we have same or not. Just come here, and we need to import we need to see the images also. This is my image. Let me close it and just come here and just compare it with the image. So yeah, we have a similar styling. You can see a similar styling, and this is the Android and this is the iOS, but we need to add a little bit border radius also. So for that, let me come here. So this is the main view. Inside the main view, we need to add the border radius. This is the border radius. Just add the 12. And also we do not need that much padding also from the vertical. Yeah, 12. Yeah, 12 is enough. So now we are going to compare again. So you can see we have a similar styling. This is my image and this is my styling. You can see we almost create the first card, but the icon is a little bit small. You can see the UI we have a little bit bigger. So for that I'm going to the cloud image, and we need to 42, also 42 height and 42 width. And also we do not need that much space from top. So for that I'm going to the content view, and margin top is a 12. Let me get it. Yeah, it's 12. We don't know, we should apply the 10 also. We apply the 10, and it's no, 12 is a better, baby. 12. Yeah, we just apply that 12. And also we need to add more spacing also from the top and the bottom. For that I'm going to the main container, and this is the main container we have, and we need to padding vertical 14, which should add. And also we need to a little bit increase the height, like 8. Yeah, it's now it's looking perfect. So now I just change the height with the 4.8, and also the padding vertical 14. So now we are going to create the REST UI. So for that I'm going to the UI. We are going to create this component also, and for that I'm going to the home screen. For designing the rest of the screen, first I'm going to import the FlatList. This is my FlatList, you can see. And also the FlatList, first we need the data, and the data we need to pass the const, and we have a week weather. We have a week weathers. Let me copy this week weather and paste it in your data, and this is my data. And after that we need to render, and inside the render we need to like this item, and we need to also arrow function and return, and just create a one view. And inside the view I need a create a one more. Inside the view I need to design like this. Let's see the UI. So first we have a 7 days of forecast. So first I'm taking a one text, and inside the text I just take just type the 7 days forecast, like a 7, just type 7 day. So now you can see we just render 7 times. So but I do not need it. So for that I'm going to the, and there we have one header component also, and we have a list of the header component. Inside the header component, just apply like this, and just take a return also, and type the view, and inside the view just type the text. So we have one header component, you can see. Let me apply the style, and also font. First I'm going to apply the color, and color we have the gray light, the text gray light color. I just apply the color, and also I need to create a one card also. So for that I'm going to the FlatList and just style. First I need to add the background color, and the background color we need a background color dot background app color. So let me copy color there. So first we need to add the color is, we have a card color, you can see. And also we need a margin top and moderate scale, that will be a 20. And we need a padding horizontally, like a moderate scale 12. Padding horizontally we assign the 12. 14. And also I need a padding vertically We need a padding vertically. Border radius. So this is the border radius, you can see. So we just create the card, and now I'm going to render the item also. So for that, I'm going to the render item. Inside the render item, first we are going to see the UI. So this is my UI. So first we have the name of the days, then we have an icon, then we have a sunny and cloudy and rainy, and after that we have a temperature. So for that we are going to take a one view. The view should be a flex direction, row, and also align item center, and also justify content space between. And we are going to take a one text. The text we are going to pass the item dot day, and you can say first day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And after that I need to pass the image, but in the data we do not pass any image. So for that I'm going to, we have an item for the image source. We should import image dot sun, and also we need to apply the styling also for the image, and just type width, and also height will be a moderate scale 42. And also apply the resize mode content. And after this we need to add a text, and the text should be like a item dot temperature. This is not temperature, item dot weather. And we have a sunny, cloudy. You can see we have a sunny, cloudy, windy. Also I need to change the text also. So for that I'm going to the weather, and we need to change the cloudy to the, let me change this. And also I have a rainy, and we have a, again sunny. I just change the weather texts. After this we need to text, and this item dot temperature, and we have a temperature also. And so now we are going to fix the UI. So for that I'm going to, first we do not need that much style, 32 will be enough. Yes. And also we need to combine the weather and the images. So for that I'm going to take a one view, just close it and take a one view, and inside the view we need to take a paste it. And let me also apply like this style and flex direction. We have a row, and also inside the row align item center, and align item center like a. So first I'm going to design the name of the weeks. And the name of the weeks we want to render only the 3 alphabets. So for that I'm going to, and just come here in the text day, we have a substring. Inside the substring we first want to, for one from 0 to 3 we want to render. So we can see, you can see we just only render the 3 alphabet of the name, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. We only render the 3 alphabet of the week names. And now I'm going to apply the styling. So for the styling, just come here, style dot week name. Just copy the style of the week name and come here, and we have a color. First we have a color, and text gray color, and also font size, font family dot regular, and font size, just apply scale 14. Yeah, 14, 16 is enough, or 14 is enough. And let me and just copy this style and apply to the other text also, and the last one also. So now I want to fix the center icon and name. So for that I'm going to apply the width also first. Width, we need a 30% width in here, and also justify content space between, and just apply the space between, and the icon size should be a smaller than 24 and 24. It should be a 40%, not a 40%. So now we need to add the item separator. So for that I'm going to the item separator component. Just apply the height, moderate scale 12. So now I'm going to add the width also for the text. Just come here and add the spread operator, and just apply the 20%, and 20% is too much. 15. When I add the 15% for the text, so all the items should be in the same line, and also I don't want to 30%, let me decrease it in 25%, and like this. And also I need a space from the 7-day forecast. So for that I'm going to the header component. Inside the header component, just style, and just type the margin bottom, moderate scale 20. So you can see, and also we need a space also. We need to add the margin bottom also. So for that I'm going to the style and margin bottom, scale 40, and we add the margin bottom. You can see we just create the second card. Let me show you the both card. So now we can see we just create the second card also, you can see. And let me show you the card, but we have a line. For that I'm going to my view. This is my view. Also border with bottom we have should add, and also border with we need to border with color also, border color, and just type color dot white. In the last we do not need to add the line, so for that I'm going to apply the check item, and just dot day is equal to the Sunday, and that will be a 0, and also the other will be a 1. In the last we do not have any you can see in the last we do not have any line. And also we need a space from the bottom. So for that I'm going to the padding bottom, just add 12, So we just add the padding bottom also, and we need to add the 2.6. The line will be a small line, and also the text size is too small, so for that I'm going to the text size and 16 and just type the medium and just come back and just add the 20% here, 15%, and this will be a 30% again. Yeah. So now you can see this look perfect. If I compare it with my actual size, actual card, if I compare it with my actual card, you can see this is my actual card, and this is our this is the UI. So this kind of UI need more styling. So for that reason, we take a lot of time. So in the next video, we are going to design the other screens, like we are going to design the last card and these screens. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.